Preview.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I hope you are good and healthy. So our project is about Pakistan house price prediction. Now I'm starting the explanation of project code. As we know, these all are important libraries for different purposes. So we are importing these libraries. Now we are using this code for importing CSV file. This is a code when we're reading CSV file into data frame. For the help of this, we are using the CSV file into data frame. And this method returns description of the data in the data frame. This df.describe. This method returns the description of the data. And this info method prints information about the data frame. The information contains the number of columns or column labels, column data types, memory usage, range index, and the number of cells in each column, and non-null values also. So by using this code, we are getting the total numbers of null values. This method we are using for getting the total number of null values. And this df.drop, we are dropping the unnecessary columns by using this df.drop code. Then we are displaying the data frame again. Now we are assigning the colors. Now we are assigning the colors to cities so that we can use it further in visualization. And then in this code, we are showing the columns which we are going to correlate with price and renaming some of the columns, like total area to area, property type to type, and province name to province. Then after renaming, we are checking the data again, means displaying the data. Then here we are using this library to get stats of our data so that we can further optimize it and remove outliers. We use this library to get the stats of data. So here we are using this. Here we are again checking the data, displaying the data after renaming. Then here we are finding the correlation between the dependent and independent values variables, dependent and independent variables. Here we are taking 1,000 samples of the data and making a graph to understand the correlation. And this is the graph of correlation. With the help of a scatter plot, here we are finding the correlation between price and bedroom. So this is the correlation diagram between price and bedrooms. And then we are finding the correlation between price and baths with the help of scatter plot. So this is the scatter plot of bathrooms and price. Then we are finding the correlation between area and price with the help of a scatter plot. So this is the scatter plot diagram of area and price. Now again we are finding the correlation between price and city here with the help of scatter plot diagram. So this is the diagram of city and price. Then again we are finding the correlation between price and type with the help of scatter plot diagram. So this is the type and price scatter plot correlation. And then again with the help of scatter plot we are finding the correlation between price and province. This is the scatter plot diagram of price and province. Then we are creating a variable and converting categorical data into indicator variables like type lower, there's no underscore, and then we converting adding underscore like these, and then we are printing this variable in which we are convert these data. These are the data which we are displayed here. This is the data after converting into indicator variables. Now we are giving the size for figure, and then we are displaying the correlation heat map according to the data. So this figure size is for heat map diagram, heat map, and then we are showing the heat map by this code plot.show. So this is the diagram in different colors. These are the column names, rows. Then we are using these libraries for different purposes in machine learning. These all are important libraries, as we all know. Now we are training and testing the data by applying different models. Sorry, we are training and testing the data by applying different models. Now we are finding multiple linear regressions. This is a linear regression, the score, accuracy score, and then we are using decision tree method for finding regression. Sorry, we are using decision tree method here for finding regression. Here we are using random forest method for finding regression. This is the regression method of random forest for finding regression. So decision tree accomplished 0.894 accuracy score, multiple linear regression accuracy score is 0.363, random forest score is 0.926, which is perfect, and we think we can consider it a successful classification. So here is the project of Pakistan House Price Prediction. I hope you can consider it well. Thank you, sir.